Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. If you are new here, welcome. I love filming speed clean videos, speed clean, organize with me, whatever you want to call it, type videos. Y'all seem to really enjoy my last one, and I actually have a few that I have pre-recorded that I need to upload. This one right here is going to be a video that shows y'all that I need to clean my son's bedroom because we have some guests coming in, and his room right now, he does not sleep in his room. He does still sleep in my fiance and I's bedroom, but we have a bed in there, and it is great to use for like a guest bedroom. So that's what we're using it now currently for the bed. And then Hunter has all his toys and stuff in there, and let me tell you, this kid has tons of toys and it needs to be organized. But I just got my breast reduction a few weeks back, so I can't do really any heavy lifting, and I can only really be up doing certain things for probably about an hour, and then I get pretty exhausted and I need to sit down and rest. So his toys and things like that really need to be organized, but for now I'm just going to do a little tidying up and then put mainly the stuff in his toys and stuff in the closet. That way it could be out of the way for our guest. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, be sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Those two things really help me out, as well as commenting down below. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy, and let's get to cleaning. Okay, so this is what his bedroom looks like before. Let me go turn off the fan in the bathroom. I just cleaned his room like 2 weeks ago, and this is what it's looking like. So it is time to get this room rearranged, things put away, and have him just really work on keeping his room together and having a responsibility of him having his own room, you know? So a lot to do, so let's get started. Bathroom's not too bad. We'll tidy that up a little bit, but again, here's before, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterward. Oh yeah, and this is what his closet is currently looking like. So definitely gotta clean that up too.
city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that, I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun.
Alright, so I'm not sure if I mentioned to y'all or not in the beginning of this video, but I have to take it easy still because I'm still recovering from my breast reduction. So I wanted to do just a simple, you know, kind of sort of, well, just a cleanup. It wasn't really too much organizing because there's so much stuff in his closet, as you'll see, that we need to eventually go through, have him get rid of stuff that he doesn't play with no more and things like that. But this is just, like I said, a simple organized cleanup because I couldn't really move too many things and do much because, like I said, I'm still recovering and I'm trying to take it easy. But anyway, look how much freaking better his room looks. So much better. So I moved the bed just a little bit. I still need to put more, pillows on the bed and put, pillowcases. I'm going to take this one down since it's kind of falling. But yeah, I got these way more organized. I didn't even bother messing with the books and stuff, but over here he still has some toys and stuff out. I still obviously want him to have some toys out so he can just go and reach for it. This area I'll most likely show in another video when we really try to organize his room, and we might get some more shelves or cubby holes or something to really organize this and make it feel more like his bedroom, because this used to be Matt and I's bedroom. I do have a pack and play back there because I have a daycare kiddo who we needed some space, and she only comes on Tuesdays and that's where she goes, but when she takes a nap. But that's a lot more organized. I do have a cat box in here, so that's there. And then the bathroom is looking better. But the closet is where all of his toys and stuff went. So that will be for another day. Another video y'all will see us trying to get more things together. But yeah, I think it's good enough for now, for when we have company over. So yeah, thanks for tagging along with me and getting his room organized and cleaned up a bit. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one.